take a moment to breathe and just notice one inhaling breath. That might feel really challenging. Let's do it together. Just noticing one inhaling breath. Notice where it starts. Notice where it moves through your body. And stay with it all the way until it's peaked and until it drops into the exhale. Do that a few more times. Just notice one more inhaling breath. You are safe. Remain where you are. The more we try to get out of where we are, the more we enter the attic of the mind, which is not the safest place to be right now. We want to remain in the basement, grounding into the body. Like quicksand, the more we resist and fight these feelings and emotions that just want safety, the more we get drawn into the quicksand. Watching just one breath allows us to remain where we are and to anchor in to safety, 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 safety. You might find that safety in a safe place in your body, or visualizing a place of safety, or visualizing the face of an animal, a friend or a loved one that loves you. Remain where you are. You are safe. Step 2, A. Acknowledge what's happening. Your brain is in a high state of distress. Your body is feeling so many different things right now, and this is all absolutely okay. Your mind and body are doing their best to protect you from some volcanic eruptions within, and this is all okay. Acknowledge nothing is going wrong here. You are the witness to your thoughts. Your thoughts are not real. Your thoughts are energy, like fish swimming around you. You are not these thoughts, and you are not these feelings. And they deserve more love, not less. A is for acceptance. C is for compassion. Compassion helps us move towards care. These thoughts, no matter how violent, aggressive, frightening, uncomfortable, they deserve care. They deserve compassion. They are simply fragmented aspects of our psyche that feel they don't have a home in our body. And so we want to welcome them back to a safe, loving home that offers them compassion, that does not judge them. I know you can do this because I know what a strong, powerful soul you are. You are helping alchemize energies in this world, and you have this gift, and you're being called to remember this gift of alchemy. There is nothing that is bigger than what and who you are. And E is for embodiment. These thoughts, emotions, and storms will eventually leave you without you having to do anything at all when you have embodied the truth of your magnificence, of your power, your resilience, and your remembrance that these thoughts and emotions and feelings have come to you because you are the light, the freedom, the safety, the boundless presence, the vast space, the unconditional love, the warmth they need to move through and return back to wholeness. And I know deep down you remember everything that is playing out in front of you right now. The voices, the thoughts, the feelings, the emotions, the anxieties, the overwhelm, the sensations, all this perceived phenomena cannot be you if you can see it. Affirm with me, if I can see it, I can't be it. So who and what is witnessing all this? Turn towards that now. The part of you that is witnessing all of this, that's your power, and that's you coming home. You're being called to remember what you are, who you are. You are being called home.